Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is my dog Honey. So Honey has allergies. She often scratches her face or her ears. She's always chewing on her paws. So I wanted to give her a treat that she would enjoy the taste of, but that also had a lot of benefits for her skin and her coat. And so I was really happy with these Zesty Paws Aller-Immune Bites. These are in the peanut butter flavor. You can really smell the peanut butter when you open the container, and Honey seems to enjoy them. She does all of her tricks if she knows she's going to get one of these as a reward. And I'm happy with all the different benefits that are listed, from immune support and help with seasonal allergies, as well as the fact that there's a probiotic in them, and there's salmon oil. So lots of really good things for your dog's overall health. And it's helping her feel better from her seasonal allergies. It's also improving her coat, right, honey girl? So she's happy with them. I'm happy with them. She seems to enjoy the taste. I like the size. They're not too big, and the container keeps them fresh. Plus the fact that these come in a 90 soft chew, so that means you're getting 90, which I think is a good deal for the price. So if you have a dog that has allergy issues and loves peanut butter, then I highly recommend these treats from Zesty Paws. And that is our point of view.